Hello, Uncle Ted, your ice cream alchemist, and today I wanted to share a little something different. Recently, somebody asked me where I get my ideas from for the different flavors that I make, and it always starts the same. It starts with a person. It starts with a person I care about, a friend who's had a rough day, a coworker who's been under the weather, maybe a family member I haven't seen for a long time. Ultimately, it's people who have been on my mind and in my thoughts, and I have wanted to see them, and I just want them to be happy. I'm a firm believer in the old Adam, eat this, you'll feel better. Dom DeLuise wrote a cookbook called that, and I truly believe it. Recently, I met someone, we've been chatting. She told me that her favorite flavor was black cherry. I filed that away. The other day I was at the store. They happened to have 2 bags of cherries left. Fresh cherries in February. And they're 2 bags that seen better days, but they were good. I don't believe in coincidences, so I snagged them up and I made some chocolate hazelnut cherry ice cream. Honestly, we all express our emotions differently. For me, it's food. It's my language. Poetry and heavy cream. Sometimes people think what I do is a manifesto when really it's just a way for me to let them know they've been in my thoughts. Sometimes I just want to see a smile on their faces, and that's it. I've been having a lot of fun making ice cream, and I really can't wait to get a chance to see my friend try this. I really think it'll make her day, but ultimately, just having somebody do something for you means a lot. I really appreciate everybody who's been watching these videos, and if there's a flavor of ice cream that you're curious about, let me know in the comments. I would be glad to make it. Thank you.